Oh.
All right. Look at here. We got the boys out here with us. And here's what we're doing today. Let's go take a look. We're right on the range. And we're going to go over here and look at this. I picked up a mannequin and a little t-shirt threw on her. And yeah, so we got the Jack. We got the Jack 12 gauge. And we got the Dragon Breath rounds. And we're going to take a shot and we're going to see if we can set her on fire. We're going to try to set her on fire. And all right, well, let's get to it. All right, let's go look at it. Let's take a look at it. All right. All right. We got some lighter fluid here. Yep. We're going to see if we can set her on fire. So we got our Dragon's Breath round right here. Luke, if you open up this, since I only got one hand holding with his phone, and this is the tool we're going to do it with. This is our Jack. Yep, the Jack by PTR, and spinning around so we can take a good look at that. And all right, let's get to it. Y'all ready? I'm ready. I'm excited. Let's do it.
How much you want on there?
Put the whole bottle on there. Gonna go by their rules anymore. Laban's dying. We're not gonna let that bother us. Say hello to my friend. Whoa! No!
Dadgum.
Oh, geez. Yes!
Might have been too much
Yes!
Dadgum.
Guys,
Like 45 seconds.
that was freaking awesome. It's still burning. Look at her head.
You'd be surprised.
Oh my god. I had no idea. I saw John Wick do it, but I didn't think I could compare to John Wick at all. But look at this. We got a body. We got a burning body right here. This looks like Baghdad back in the 90s. Lord help us. Looks like the
Casualties of war.
God, that's her head.
I think it's her waist.
I mean, we got 2 more rounds, guys. So what I'm gonna let these guys shoot it. I'm gonna film them. They're gonna shoot up into the stratosphere, and we're not gonna really have a target, I don't think. But yeah, she's dead. Wow. All right, let's get these guys some rounds. We're still going over here. A little smoky out here now. She's still burning.
Nope.
Get some Terminators right here now. You're terminated, mother.
Wanna see what's left of the t-shirt?
Oh, the t-shirt's still here? It's stuck. Told you it melts at like 5,000 degrees. Oh no, it's melting the whole thing. It's melting the stand. Alright, well, we're gonna get these boys some action. Let me go ahead and get them loaded up. Let's do it. It's up into the air too now. Alright, we got. Ooh, that went way out there. That went 50 yards.
Redneck AA right there.
All right, let's see if Aiden can do one. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna make another video, a little short video of the Aiden shooting one, but that's gonna be it, guys. That's the target, and then that's what the Dragon Breath will do for you. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. We out.